Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff and here's a quick unboxing of the Realme X2 Pro. The Realme X2 Pro is pretty much the phone that everybody's talking about here in India. This is Realme's flagship phone that's just incredible value for money with a high refresh rate screen, super fast charging as well, all of that, and there's still a 64 megapixel quad camera at the back. This phone is pretty insane and I've been really looking forward to testing it out. So while I've been working on my review for a bit, here's a quick unboxing just so you know what you get in this box. Alright, it's your usual Realme box with the Realme branding up front. You can see that they're highlighting that it's a Snapdragon 855 Plus, which is not too common in this price range. There's a 64 megapixel quad camera as well. And yeah, pretty usual box. Alright, so let's open that up. First thing you get is a sleeve that says, hey, welcome to Realme family. Let's embrace on a new journey. Yay. Alright, let me open that up. And as usual, you have the case. You guys know I love it when you get a case with the phone so that your phone is protected from day one. I'm just gonna put that there. Seems like a nice enough case. And as usual, there's the warranty information and a quick start guide on how to use your new Realme phone. All right, I'm just gonna put that there. And then you have the main event, which is the Realme X2 Pro itself. This is a really nice looking phone that I've definitely been hoping to check out for a while. You guys probably know that this phone was announced in China a while ago, but just globally launched in India this week. So of course, I'll be using this over the next couple of days and I'll let you know what I think about it. But if you have any questions, let me know right in the comment section below. All right, let's see what else we have here. So there's the SIM card remover tool right here. And then you have the Type-C USB cable to charge up your phone. But another main attraction here is that you have the Oppo Super Walk charger, and it's not just any Super Walk charger, it's actually the 50 watt walk charger, which is pretty interesting. And this can actually charge up your Realme phone in a matter of minutes. So I think they're quoting about half an hour to full charge, which is pretty crazy. So yeah, definitely appreciate this. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much what you get with the Realme X2 Pro. As usual guys, if you have any questions about this phone, let me know right below. And yeah, that's about it. Alright guys, that was a quick unboxing of the Realme X2 Pro. As always, if you guys have any questions about this phone, let me know right in the comment section below. Or you can ask me directly on Instagram or Twitter at ClintonJeff. And hey, if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button right below. Or maybe subscribe, because that would be appreciated. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.